it's time to get the hash smash in the oven. I'm gonna start by putting some butter in here, and we're just gonna put this in the oven to let it melt while we mix everything else up in a big bowl. In the bowl, we're going to start with 1 cup of sour cream. Now we're going to put 1 can of cream of chicken soup. And we just need 1 can of the Mexican corn drained. Okay, we're going to put some salt and pepper. So that Mexican corn is just corn and red and green peppers. Okay, we need some green onions, so I'm just going to snip some of this in here.
I need a sandwich bag to save this one for later.
Alright, we'll mix all this together. Then we're going to shred some cheese. We need 8 ounces of shredded cheddar.
3, 4. Wait, that's just 2. Well, that's the best. To put this in, I have to save this one for later with that one.
I'm going to leave a little bit of the cheese to put on top at the end, so we'll leave about that much on the plate. Now we'll put in the hash browns. We need 30 ounces of frozen shredded hash browns. The recipe didn't say to thaw them out, but mine kind of are because I just left them sitting out for a little while. Together. Make sure I'm not forgetting anything. Nope, okay. Okay. The butter should be melted in here, yep. Okay, I'm just going to grab my brush. And we'll rub the casserole dish with the butter. And now we'll pour in the mixture. This is smelling really good, y'all. I think this is going to be good. And I think I already told y'all, but I just have a rotisserie chicken that we're going to have with it and some salads or something on the side. Okay, just spread that out. We're going to put a little bit more salt and pepper on the top and the rest of our cheese, and then it's going in the oven for 30 to 40 minutes. I've got a cheese sneaker over here beside of me. Is it good?
I know. I love that yellow cheese.
Yeah. By the way, we figured out what was wrong with the van. Apparently, when me and Sissy got back home Saturday, we were very excited to take the boys their floats and different things, and Tyler said that he saw one of the doors was open on the passenger side. Yeah, evidently we left a door open and some lights on in there, and the battery just went dead, so it's all good. Okay, going in. Let's see what we got. I just freshed up. Y'all, sometimes my mouth gets ahead of my brain. I just sliced up some fresh tomatoes to have on the side. Let's see how the hash smash is. Wonderful. That's how that is, y'all. It tastes like comfort food, grandma hash brown casserole with a little bit of a kick to it with the Mexican corn. That one's great. Sunday potluck, Sunday supper, anytime supper, that's a winner. A little pre-work activity. Look at him, he loves working on dryers and such.
Oh yeah, nothing like it, folks.
Yeah, I just walked through a spider web. They need some kind of tape. He's running to town real quick to get some stuff they need for the barn, so I had to tell him to grab that. Anyway, while I'm out here this morning, we'll go ahead and see if we have some eggs. Little froggy just jumped, yeah, almost fell. There's always a bucket somewhere until you need a bucket. Then you can't find a bucket. Good morning, everybody. We got some eggs in here. Not yet that I can see. She might be laying one over there. Look at how big the babies have gotten. That's some of the babies right there. I mean, they're totally not babies anymore. And it seems like they double in size overnight. They grow up so fast, don't they? I've got some eggs over here in an ice bath. They still have a couple more minutes and then we'll peel them. I'll go ahead and start toasting the bread. I'm making some tomato and egg toast this morning. So we're gonna use the boiled eggs and some of our tomatoes from the garden. I wanna know your favorite way to eat eggs in the morning. Do you eat an egg sandwich? Do you eat scrambled all the time? Do you like omelets, poached eggs, over medium eggs, sunny side up eggs? Tell me your favorite way to eat eggs for breakfast. Most of the time I don't do boiled eggs for breakfast. Like even like if I'm making eggs for the family, hardly ever boiled eggs. But for this egg and tomato toast, we boiled them. So I only have to make a few of these because Titus already had breakfast, Tyler already had breakfast. They made oatmeal and eggs earlier this morning. So I'm only gonna do 3 of these with the sauce. So I'm making a creamy mustard sauce to go on them. So I'll do 3 with the sauce, and then I'll just make toast. And if the kids don't want the ones, you know, with the cheese and the sauce and all, they can have just toast and the boiled eggs. And some oatmeal, whatever they want to go with it. For the mustard sauce, we just need mayonnaise, mustard, and honey. You can use a different kind of mustard if you want to, like a brown mustard, Dijon mustard, whatever you want to use. I just have yellow mustard right now, so we're using that. And we just need equal amounts mayonnaise and mustard. Not too much, because we're just going to spread a little bit on the toast. And then about half of that amount of honey. So I probably did a couple tablespoons mayonnaise and mustard, and then a tablespoon of honey. Mix that together. put just a little bit more mayonnaise in there. Okay.
Is it almost done now?
Yeah, could you run in there and get me some the Monterey Jack cheese out there? Yeah.
This in there.
Oh yeah. Okay, I've got the oven on broil. We're gonna take our creamy mustard sauce and spread it onto the bread. Now we're gonna put some cheese. You can use whatever cheese you wanna use. I'm just using Monterey Jack and we're just slicing it really thin. You could also shred it. I'm just gonna slice it real quick because it's gonna go in the oven under the roller to melt the cheese. Okay, we'll put these in for just about 3 minutes. While we wait, we'll go ahead and peel and slice our eggs and tomato. I think I'm going to use Cherokee Purple. Stay. Just got one Cherokee Purple over there, so we'll use that and then this one. I'm pretty sure this one is a Better Boy or a Jet Star. I can't remember which one. I've got flies driving me crazy in here this morning, y'all. Sissy and Manly are still asleep and nobody else is in here, so it's really quiet in here at the moment. Besides me getting mad at these flies. You know when flies really make me mad is like when you're just sitting down trying to, you know, maybe catch a little nap or something and they want to land on your face. Why? You grab the bread. Why do they want to land on your face? It's very annoying. Okay, I got those 3 peeled. There's still 3 more over there. We'll peel those here in just a little bit. Go ahead and slice them. I'm going to use this kind of knife just to give them a little texture. Okay. Now we'll slice the tomatoes. And I think I have some basil. Let me see if I have basil in here. I've got to get some more basil that I can grow. Basil and mint. I love growing basil and mint. We had it in the garden last year. Anyway, I don't have any basil. I did have mint in there, but I do have green onions, so we'll just use the green onions. Put a little green on here in a minute. Okay, there we go. Bring over the toast. So we'll just put the tomato slices on here, and then the eggs. Add some pepper, a little drizzle of the mustard sauce, just a little. And the green onions. Really good. There's so much flavor, like it's just tomato, egg, and bread, But when you add that mustard sauce on there with that little bit of sweetness from the honey, the Monterey Jack cheese, it's great. Go away, fly. None for you.